Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide by 1 plus x for the both sides. Now we have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So I need to put about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that negative number 1 over 1 plus s next to y, that's about integrating factor in here. The integration of 1 over 1 plus s, you got about negative ln of 1 plus s. Later that, the negative side go inside about natural law in here. And this one, we got about 1 plus s to the power of negative number 1. And this one we have 1 over 1 plus s. So that means we multiply both sides by this one. So this one we have y over 1 plus s to the power of 2. This one we simplified and you got about s. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. So if I look carefully about this one, we see that this is about first derivative of u multiplied by v. This one we have first derivative of 1 plus s that's about first derivative of 1 over 1 plus s, and we have y in here. If we do this integration, you got about y equals to uv. Now we can apply similar for this one, and you got about y over 1 plus s. The integration of s, you got about s squared over 2, and we put about c. Later that we multiply both sides by 1 plus s, and then we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.